Welcome to the topic titled Strategic Management versus Operations Management. Purpose of strategic management, if I have to answer in one short sentence, it is that strategic management helps a firm to prosper in the long run. Established firms carry out a multi-step strategic management process which leads to the formation of a strategy that is a future-oriented master plan, say for a horizon of next 4 years. It aids the firm in facing the competitive environment while achieving its long-term objectives. It also gives an overall framework for making managerial decisions. Very importantly, it enables different parts of the company like marketing, production, finance functions, etc., to work in unison and not at cross purposes. Strategy thus is a well thought out master plan, but it is on paper only. When it is successfully implemented, it creates competitive advantage for the firm, which in turn leads to superior profitability. Operations management handles day-to-day activities necessary to produce goods and services efficiently. Operational management is delivery focused. It focuses on doing the tasks on the ground. It looks at short-term horizon, for example, today, this month, this quarter, or max for next 1 year. The shop floor manager's job at Big Bazaar is an example of an operation role. Operations manager plays a key role in executing the strategy on the ground. That is, it operationalizes the strategy. It breaks down strategies' long-term objectives into a series of short-term, small-scale plans, which then are implemented by marketing, production, supply chain functions in a coordinated and cohesive manner. Strategic management and operations management are two critical management practices. They are highly interdependent. While strategic management shows the future path and guidelines, operational management activates them on the ground with help of different functional areas. Both strategic management and operational management are required in running a truly successful company. The table provides a comparative view of strategic management and operations management against the criteria shown in the leftmost column. It is largely self-explanatory. While scope of strategic management is broad, scope of operations management is generally narrow. For example, distribution function is focused on how to reach the product from factory to warehouses at least cost and in time in a safe manner. I may highlight that strategic decisions are not generated automatically. It needs a proactive management. For example, a sloppy top management will not review its strategy for a long time even when external environment changes. Worse, it may not have a strategy at all and only react to crises with ad hoc decisions. Strategic issues are complex, have high uncertainty level, need consideration of external environment and multiple stakeholders. Such issues are not routine and may not have any past precedence. Situations like closure of a key competitor's business or calamity like COVID-19 may be suitable examples. Strategic decisions create competitive advantage or at least reduce the competitive disadvantage vis-a-vis leading competitors. Keep in mind that strategic decisions affect operational level decisions. Also, certain strategic decisions can't be reversed easily. They may have severe legal and financial consequences. Thank you.